Okay, people, what is going on? I'm back. I'm back, people. I'm back. Let's see for how long, though. Let's see for how long. Where am I at? Where's my face at? Let me try something here before I have to restart this. Capture device. There I am. There I am. Sorry about that, people. Here I am. I'm back. Yes, back. I wouldn't say better than ever, but good enough. Some of you may have noticed, many of you probably didn't. I probably haven't made a video, with the exception of a short one yesterday. I haven't made a video in about a week. And there is a reason why. I got a content strike. Yes, yay. A nice strike, you know. Let's see, I did have a copy of the thing here. Let's see if I can pull her up here. And we'll look at it and laugh. Here it is. It says right here, oh boy. I'm starting off to a bang, ain't I? Okay. Take a look at your content. Keeping policies in mind. Content that contains targeted harassment isn't allowed on YouTube. So don't targetedly harass people. Don't do that. This includes, but not limited to, vigilante behavior. What's a vigilante? Does that mean vigilante? Yeah, that's vigilante. Vigilante behavior, such as restraining or assaulting individuals. I do that on a daily basis, don't I? Or depicting a staged meetup. Now, this is the good part right here. This is the good part. Depicting a staged meetup to accuse an identifiable individual of, I don't know, misconduct with a minor without the presence of law enforcement. I guess what they're saying is you can't do these stings where you set someone up. I've never did that. You know, the TCAP type stings, you know, the Alex Rosen type stings. You can't do that unless you're with law enforcement. I've never did that. But what I did do, I posted a video about a certain individual that got caught in one of those stings. A certain individual who at one time was a very famous YouTuber with over 2 million subscribers. And he was caught in one of those stings. And he used the excuse that he was just there to, you know who I'm talking about. He was just there to get a, right there, a cupcake. I'm just here to get a cupcake, man. No, I'm not going to name this individual. I don't know if I made this video about him around a week ago, week and a or so, 7 or 8 days ago. It was late at night when I made it. I go to bed immediately afterwards. I wake back up about 4 or 5 hours later, look for the video, it's gone. Like I say, I got a strike and they took it down within 4 or 5 hours. Probably less than that. This video did not contain, I can't say I didn't say anything bad about him, but I didn't say anything vulgar about him. I didn't say anything threatening about him. Just explained who he was, what he did, and how he has currently returned to YouTube and has a new YouTube channel. Yes, that's right. Mr. Cupcake is back on YouTube, for those who didn't know. And my main gripe with this is he's been back for probably 2 or 3 weeks now, and he's already gotten 14,000 subscribers. Who the hell are you people that subscribe to him? Don't do that. Don't subscribe to that guy's channel. Don't subscribe. Subscribing to his channel is no different than if you subscribe to Cyrax's channel. And as we've all said, you don't do that. You don't do that. Don't show these people any kind of support. You hear me? Hey, look at there. Damn, man. I could have at least brushed my hair before. And never mind. Yeah, don't subscribe to these guys' channels that have been accused of you know what. Why do you want to support them? All he does is get on there on his damn channel, talks vulgar as can be, degrades women, and we know what he was caught trying to do with children. We know about that. So don't do that. Don't subscribe. I can't say that enough. You know, people might say, oh, you're just jealous. He's got all these subscribers and you only got 700. I don't care, man. I don't care. That's not what it's about. That's what it's about right there. Look at that. Don't subscribe to him, man. I didn't like him before he got busted. I remember seeing his channel and everyone talking about how great he was. I didn't like him then. I certainly don't like him now. But anyways, yeah, I can't say it enough. Don't subscribe to that guy. Why would you want to? I don't know. Well, let me get this trash out of the way. There's numerous pictures of him holding small children. Look, there's another one. I blurred these kids' faces out for a reason. That brings me to another issue. I see this, on the internet with these freaks, and I see it in life as well. Who are these women that allow guys like that have been accused of these horrible things around their children? Who are these women? What is with you? That brings me to Cyrax. Some of you have probably heard this little recording. He supposedly has him a girlfriend now. Some of you have probably heard this little recording. I'm going to play it here in a minute. If I can get my shit together. Let me get my shit together, people. Yeah, but I think it's awful funny, though, getting back to he who should not be named, that I put that video up in less than 5 hours. It was gone. It was, overnight. It was gone. And I got a strike for it. I find it awful funny that, that would go down that quick. Then it gives you the option to protest it, to try and get it, removed, or what I'm trying to say. I did that, and it was like 5 minutes later, they rejected it within 5 minutes. I'm losing my train of thought here. What I'm getting at is somebody at YouTube, big fan of his or something. I don't know. Whatever. It is what it is. In the words of King Cobb, it is what it is, and I'm not going to worry about it. I don't think I'll ever make another video related to him. Who knows? This one might get removed as well. I'm not mentioned his name or anything like that. Anyways, we got our little dancing cupcake up there. That's cute. Let's listen to this recording of our boy Cyrax as he talks to one of his new sons. His sons that he's got with this new girlfriend. This girlfriend she's got 2 boys already, I guess. I think it said they were boys. And Cyrax is calling them his sons, even though he's only been online dating this girl, and I don't even consider that a real relationship, but online dating this girl for, I don't know, 2 weeks at the most, if that. And he's calling these kids his sons. Let's check this out. What the hell? We don't want
think you just fell
we,
out of the
we don't want you. No, Kamala. We don't want you. God almighty.
Wow.
Okay, here we go.
Since you know that I love you, now you feel better, buddy. I want you to know that I love you and your brother and your mommy very, very, very much.
Oh, God. Ain't that just the creepiest thing? It's a very short clip. I don't know. I hope there's more to this that surfaces. I'll play it through a few times. This is Cyrax talking to a small child as if he's tucking them into bed.
Wow.
Since you know that I love you, now you feel better, buddy.
Oh.
I want you to know that I love you and your brother and your mommy very, very, very much.
Wow.
Since you know that I love you, now you feel better, buddy. I want you to know that I love you and your brother and your mommy very, very, very much.
I feel like I'm going to be sick. Can you imagine? Like I said earlier, this was just an online thing over the phone. I guess he was talking to the kid. I don't know. But what kind of mother would allow guys like that around their kids? I don't get it. I'm just totally baffled by that. See it all the time in the news about these people that let these creeps, wait, I already looked at that, around their kids. And knowing what they're made of, I'm not saying every guy or every woman can't be trusted. It's actually just a handful of people, a small percentage. But that small percentage, you got to watch everyone because you don't know who it is. Jesus. Drives me crazy. Somebody sent me a text. See who texted me. I'll read this to you guys if you want. They need a text. I don't know. It's just a messed up world we live in. I mean, I guess how do you balance that, when you have a kid? How do you balance who you trust and who you don't trust? What you let your kid do, who you let your kid play with? I don't know. That's got to be a hard one. But if it's someone who you have heard rumors about, who you know is a little weird, a little creepy, has had multiple accusations regarding them, why would you trust that person with your kid? See it all the time in the news. All the time in the news. It's like I don't even go looking for that kind of stuff. And there it is. You just stumble across it. Like on a news update. I don't know. See what we got here. Oh, hell, God Almighty. Look at that. I'll just put Cyrax over top of me. Baby Cyrax. There we go. That's better, ain't it? That there's a young Cyrax. Not young Cyrax, but a young Cyrax. I'll just put that over me there for the rest of this video. What else can I yak about? Cyrax, let's see. God damn it. I don't know. Give me a second. Yeah, this here. I want to watch this, discuss this, and then we'll probably call it a night.
You never said that.
Take their place.
Oh shit! He's screaming already. Stop screaming! Stop screaming! God damn, man! I'll get this together yet, peeps. Peeps. What the hell's wrong with me? This.
You never said that.
Take their place. I want you to fuck with me. No, I want you to fuck with me, Marty.
Your mom doesn't want to see you get hurt.
You really don't. Oh, you don't understand, Mom. No, you don't understand. That girl I was talking to, me and her have been together for a while and we keep him in the rest. And now Marty's threatening to have her kids taken. And I'm trying to get him to back off. Jesus. No, I don't care, Mom. I want him to come after me, not them. They didn't do anything. They're innocent. No, they're innocent in all this. And I gave him what he wanted. I fucking danced for him and he still ain't doing shit. This ain't funny, Nick!
Sorry.
Damn! Damn!
No!
Damn! Did you see that? Oh my God! Did you see that? Oh my God! Gotta watch that again here in a sec. Jesus. He smashed his table or something.
I'm tired of this. This sick fuck gets to get away with this shit. I'm offering you to come after me, Nick.
Right.
I want you to come after me. You leave them out of it. They are innocent. They don't deserve this. You want me, you sorry son of a bitch? Come and get me.
Right.
You think this is a game? Then come after me, you sorry fuck.
Oh my God.
I'm tired of your games, nigger boy.
What'd you do? What'd you do to your room?
That's none of your goddamn business, you sick fuck.
Sally's just going to have to go out and buy him a new desk now.
You never said that.
Let me take their place. I want.
Sally's going to have to go out, break into the welfare check to buy him a new desk. Can you believe that shit? When he walks over towards the door when Sally first came over, I thought he was going to attack her. I really did. I thought he's going to grab her and throw her down the stairs or some shit.
I want you to fuck with me. No, I want you to fuck with me, Marty.
Watch.
Your mom doesn't want to see you get hurt.
Right there, I thought he was going to attack Sally. I thought, oh, it's on. It's going to happen. He's going for her. You know it is going to
You
happen.
really don't. Oh, you don't understand, Mom.
Now you see, he starts talking about the girl with the kids, his sons.
No, you don't understand. That girl I was talking to, me and her have been together for a while. We've been keeping it under wraps, and now.
Oh God, been together for a while, been keeping it under wraps. What kind of shit is that? Come on, man. He really believes this. He believes these people exist. Damn, man.
Marty's threatening to have her kids taken, and I'm trying to get him to back off. No, I don't care, Mom. I want him to come after me, not them.
Break stuff. Break stuff. Break it.
No, they're innocent in all this. And I gave him what he wanted. I fucking danced for him, and he still ain't doing shit. This ain't funny, Nick.
Sorry.
Yes, it is. It's funny. Damn. Whoa, wait. There's something else he broke there. I heard something break, but we couldn't see it. What was that? It sounded like he threw something glass. Like, I don't know. What do you think that was? Look at him. Attack it! Get it!
No.
Beat it up! Do it! Beat that desk up!
This sick fuck gets to get away with this shit.
Show that desk a lesson. Make Sally buy you a new one.
Yes, come on!
No!
Look at him.
Yes, come on!
No! I'm tired of this.
Oh,
This
Jesus.
sick fuck gets to get away with this shit.
Oh, my
I'm
God.
offering you to come after me, Nick.
All right.
I want you to come after me. You leave them out of it. They are innocent. They don't deserve this.
They don't exist.
You want me, you sorry son of a bitch? Come and get me.
All right.
You think this is a game? Then come after me, you sorry fuck.
What is with all those stupid necklaces he has dangling around his neck? What is all that stupid crap?
I'm tired of your games, nigger boy.
What'd you do? What'd you do to your room?
That's none of your goddamn business, you sick fuck.
Oh, jeez. It never ends, man. Never ends. Yeah. I guess we'll call it an evening. Go out.
Howie
with them.
Mandel, the newest
Ah!
ambassador of Skechers. Funny story how I became an ambassador. I went
All
to the
right.
store and I lied.
See you later, Howie. Let's watch a little Primus with Puddle's Pity Party. Yeah, we'll watch this for a few seconds and then call it a night. Yeah. Doesn't take much to make me laugh, man. Anyways, we'll call it evening here. I got a poll up in the comments section or community tab or whatever the hell it's called. Do you think that King Cobra and Queen Cobra, Josh and Jessica, will ever get back together? Go check out that poll. Vote on it. Like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see everybody later.